many things that people mention when anyone talks about movies in the 1980s. Most of it revolves around how the films were misogynistic, crass, and focused entirely on the hero. Of course, there were some critical gems in the 80s, but sadly the money-making box office home runs were hit by these masala films. Showcasing you some of the most embarrassing moments from the 80s in Bollywood, here is Tried and Refused Productions, with 5 movie moments that showcase everything wrong with 80s Bollywood. राम अवतार 80s में harassment, boundaries, इन सब चीजों की कोई फिक्र नहीं होती थी. The women were the damsel in distress in movies and the men were the macho heroes who would save the day. A rather creepy sequence in the 1988 film Ram Avatar is when Sunny Deol is hitting on Sridevi, not knowing that she is his best friend's romantic interest. In 2018, I'm sure all of us men know one thing, that no means no, right? But in this sequence, Sunny Deol just does not agree. And what could have been a cute sequence becomes rather scary and forceful.
आपकी सहेलियां ठीक कह रही हैं। कहाँ जा रही हैं आप?
छोड़ो मेरा हाथ, वरना मैं चिल्लाऊंगी।
ऐसा मत करना, लोग समझेंगे तुम पागल हो।
मैं कहती हूँ।
क्या कह रही हैं आप? कहो ना।
मैं तुम्हें जान से मार डालूंगी।
बड़ी मेहरबानी होगी आपकी, मारो ना।
Jiva. Orphaned in his young age, Jeevan, played by Sanjay Dutt, is raised in a gang of dacoits where he takes the name Jiva. After the death of the leader of the gang, Jiva gets in bitter terms with another contender for leadership, Lakhan, played by Shakti Kapoor. The film was the 12th highest grossing film of that year, but had some of the most funniest action sequences, something that was a very vivid feature of films in the 80s.
सरदार मेरा इनाम
ये क्या किया सरदार? ये क्या किया सरदार? ये क्या किया सरदार?
I understand that the technology was not at all available to showcase amazing stunts, but some of the sequences are just downright nonsensical and hilarious.
आज मैं तुझे तड़पा तड़पा कर कुत्ते की मौत मारूंगा कुत्ते। आज मैं तुझे तड़पा तड़पा कर कुत्ते की मौत मारूंगा कुत्ते।
10 people died in the Bronx last night due to a fire that killed 10 people in the Bronx last night during a fire.
Aag Se Khelenge. One of the funniest and overdramatic films from the 80s was the Anil Kapoor and Jitendra starrer Aag Se Khelenge. Jitendra is a cop who is working night and day to stop the evil practices of a villain called Zaka, played by Amrish Puri, whose right-hand man is his son Shaka, played by Shakti Kapoor. Yeah, you heard it right. But what's funny is to come in close proximity to Zaka, who is in a ship, the heroes with their two heroines, Geeta and Bijli, pose as snake charmers, and without any background checks, sleazy men allow them to come on the ship. पहले तो all the men jump on the women as if कि ship में आ गए तो consent तो दे ही दिया है. But you're baffled on how these criminals just don't care about their own security. Of course, in full 80s mode, the villain wishes for there to be a performance in front of him, and you are subjected to two heroines dancing on a ship to a song called Phere Bin Sapera Nache, and the most uncoordinated dancers in Bollywood history, Jitendra and Anil Kapoor, follow. Tamacha. One of the most nonsensical movie sequences from the 80s has to go to the 1988 Rajnikant and Jitendra starrer titled Tamacha. Two childhood friends face adversity, drift apart, and one of them becomes a police officer and the other becomes a notorious gangster. The final scene in which both of them confront each other, Jitendra is waiting for Rajnikant to enter. What Jitendra doesn't know is that Rajnikant, with the aid of a plastic surgeon, has created 4 other Rajnikant, and they enter one by one, narrate dialogues like a school choir, and you have to guess which one is the real one.
तुमने एक विक्रम प्रताप बुलाया था, 5 आ गए.
All the Rajnikants are dressed the same way, speak at the same time, are of the same height and look in different directions at the same time. ऐसा plastic surgeon कहाँ मिलता है भाई? एक के साथ 3 free, at your disposal, ready to die whenever you want. Nothing can beat this dialogue from Jitendra. Moreover, 80s Bollywood was awesome.
जिस प्लास्टिक सर्जन मेहता ने तुम्हें 5 बनाकर भेजा है, वो गिरफ्तार हो गया है और उसने पुलिस को सब कुछ बता दिया.
Ganga Jamuna Saraswati. Amitabh Bachchan plays the role of Ganga, who has been wronged by Thakur Hansraj, played by Amrish Puri, who has killed his father and forcefully made his mother sign papers that have transferred the ownership of property to the vile man. The movie has multiple cringeworthy sequences which make you wonder what exactly were the creators thinking while making the film. In one sequence, however, Jamuna, played by Meenakshi Seshadri, falls into deep ice and the 80s hero tries to find a solution. He transports her to a lodge, gives her an inconsequential kapda odne ke liye for warmth. All of this while, by the way, Amitabh is fully decked up with a coat, sweater and scarf, all set for winters. Oh, आइडिया, इसको जिस्म की गर्मी की जरूरत है. हाउ कन्वीनियंट. मतलब कि कुछ भी.
इसकी जान बचाने के लिए जिस्म की गर्मी देने के अलावा अब और कोई रास्ता नहीं.
And that was the list, guys. Write it down in the comments below if you have some video ideas for our channel. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The handle's right in front of you. Follow me at JammyPants4. Also, please support us by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel for weekly content ahead. Thank you for watching.